Right, this is my third take of this. So here we go, because I keep running out of storage. But, citizens of Earth and my holy viewers, a great day of reprisal and greatness has arrived on planet Earth, for the salvation has come. My tweed gloves have arrived. Yes, my tweed gloves. And today, I wanted to do an unboxing video for my tweed gloves. So what is tweed, the inexperienced and peasant /pleb /Russian serf-like viewer would ask? Well, tweed is the greatest fabric to have ever braced our holy planet Earth. I know, it's a pretty big claim, but it's true. So tweed is made from wool. It's a very rough, coarse, rich texture that keeps out the cold and the wet and the rain and the wind and can keep you quite warm inside. And so it's used in clothing. And it is made in massive looms and mills all over Scotland, which is where it originated from. And if you don't know what tweed is, an example would be, of course, Mr. Bean's tweed jacket. Mr. Bean, played by Rowan Atkinson. You gotta love British comedy. And so his jacket is tweed, and of course there's many different types of tweed, which I won't go into now. And of course there's many different types of patterns that you can put on all of those different types of tweed. And so my tweed is Harris Tweed. And a few of you might know from watching my videos that about a month ago I went on a Europe trip, and one of the countries I went to is Scotland. And while I was in Scotland, I happened to be in a gamekeeper's house. And a gamekeeper, if you don't know, is the head of a hunting estate in Scotland. So hunting estates, I'm sure you know what a hunting estate is. So he kind of runs this hunting estate, and each hunting estate has their own significant, unique tweed that they wear. So I was sitting in this gamekeeper's house, and his name is Hedge, like literally bush, like a hedge. So he walks in, and Hedge has normally quite a red complexion. And of course, Scotland is going through a 24-degree heat wave at that current time, so he comes in red as a lobster. And he's got his tweeds on, and his tweed jacket, and his tweed trousers, and his tweed flat cap, and his shotgun down his side, and his hounds behind him, and my mouth just dropped. I didn't realise people like him still existed. It amazed me. And so he was wearing tweed, and from that moment on, my curiosity for tweed expanded and grew until I've started buying all of these tweed products. So this is the box that it came in. British Bag Company. They're a distributor of the tweed gloves from the Harris Tweed Company. As you can see, quite a lovely cardboard box. Gotta love a good cardboard box. And here's the grand reveal. There you are, ladies and gentlemen. Harris Tweed Gloves. Just beautiful. So I'll take the right one out. And this is for the right hand. Very warm. Very flexible. So as you can see, this rough, coarse fabric here is of the tweed. And of course there's genuine cow leather on the back there. And here is the signature Harris Tweed kind of stamp. And you can see the royal part of the crown jewels of Great Britain and Northern Ireland there. Because the Harris Tweed Company was actually, a bill was passed in Parliament that said Harris Tweed can only come from the Isle of Harris, which is an island in the Outer Hebrides of Scotland, which is an island chain off the west coast of Scotland. And there are large fines, and it is illegal if you make tweed and claim it's from these islands. And these islands, I will show you. I'll get the lighting over there, because I have a map of Scotland. ignore the communist propaganda there. There you go. So this is Scotland. And that. These are the Outer Hebrides. And you can see there, it says Harris. And that is where these gloves were made, where they came from. So yeah, there you go. That is Scotland. So there you go. My Harris Tweed gloves. And I must say I love them. Very comfortable. Very fashionable, if I do say so myself. And yeah. Normally these would be $90. Which is the cheapest I found on the web, and I got them for 20% off. This is $71, free shipping. So yeah, I would definitely suggest tweed, as this is a lovely material, and I think you haven't experienced life properly if you haven't experienced tweed.